Ciao Tesla people, today I wanted to do a video updating all the accessories that I installed inside the cabin. So recently I changed the cabin filter to the HEPA filter from YeslaK, and I wanted to show you what other accessories I have inside the cabin. Some changed, some other I removed, and some other I'm planning to add in the future. Okay, so let's start from the dashboard. So I installed this cover for the dashboard. Since this is hard plastic, in the heat it becomes really hot, but with this one it covers a bit and it protects from scratches and from other things, and to get dirty too, protection from dirt. Okay, then inside the glove box I installed a hub down there with the ambient light that goes under here, and then I have this organizer, which I don't like it much because it just stands there. It doesn't allow much of an organization. I thought it was a better accessory, but it's not. So most likely I'm going to remove it or change it to something else. Then let me close this guy. Then I installed the HaloBLK mats and floor mats, and that have a double layer, so that has the mats and the carpet, which are perfect for what they need to do. I love them. Then I installed, let me pull it out. I can't from here. Let me do it from, well, let's continue here and then I'll do the other ones. Then I installed, still from HaloBLK, some organizer here for the central console. For this one from HaloBLK again, for the drinks and stuff. I have this cover for the armrest, okay, and here I have another organizer, okay. Also I put some protection here for the display. It's just some rubber frame, and here on the mirror. They're not really necessary. I do it because I use the cameras and sometimes I bump on the mirrors or on the display. So, but it's a good protection to have. Then I have the matte display cover. This allow you not having reflection stuff, and it works really well. Also, I put here on the steering wheel, I blacked out the Tesla logo here. I did even in the front and in the back, in the trunk. This is just aesthetics. Then I put this cover for the steering wheel, and I like this because first of all, you don't how you say, you don't consume the leather on the steering wheel, and you have more grip. But this is, a personal choice. It's not necessary if you don't like it. Also, I have the cover here from HaloBLK again, from the NASA collection. Okay, it works really well during the heat in the summer. I think I'm going to remove it soon because now it's September, so no heat anymore. I can enjoy the roof, glass roof. Okay, then I just installed the side pockets from YeslaK here, these guys, and they work really well. So this is a one block. Let me get out so I can show you in the back too. Then I installed this cover here. This is a rubber. They are useful so that you don't scratch underneath plastic. This is the HaloBLK mats, and I have some container here organizer under the seat. both on the left, on the driver and the passenger side. Okay, and let me go on the back. I have these covers here too, similar to the ones in the front, and the YeslaK side pockets, which are pretty cool. I made a video about this. I have all videos about these accessories in the channel, so you can check them out, all the links, videos and the links to the products. I have this organizer here. I don't remember where I got this, Bessemer I think, and it works pretty well. And then I have here some protection, and again rubber, you can see it here. Okay, goes all the way to the other side, so to protect the liner underneath. Okay, so these are, oh, and this plastic cover here, they cover the liner of the seats, and they are for both the back seats and the front sides. So they are just covered to the liners to protect it from scratches and stuff. And you know, if you want to resell the car, you put this protection rubber and plastic things, so they make the value of the car higher when you want to resell it, or if you want to resell it. Okay, these are pretty much all the accessories that I have. I think it's coming to rain. Yeah, it's supposed to rain really a lot today. So of course I have, oh, and this one again from HaloBLK is a windshield umbrella. So you put it on the front windshield when it's too hot and there is a lot of sun. And this pretty much are all the accessories that I installed in the cabin. Okay, I think I'm planning to put some other, mostly are just most are organizational, and to cover the liner, so to protect the liner from scratches and deterioration and stuff, you know, consumption, whatever. The ambient light, I like it, I use it a bit, but I need to use the app, so it's not integrated in the car system, so I need to use the app. So sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, you know, it's one of those things that you know, you need to get used to it. Oh, I think I have even a cover where there is the wireless charger right there. There is a cover for the phone, so again, it's a protection type of thing, and it works pretty well. It doesn't obstruct the wireless charging at all. Oh, I also installed on the screen the swivel system, so I can move the screen. Let me show you. I can move the screen left and right, up and down. I think it's 30, 50 degrees, something like that. Let's go to check it out. It started to rain, of course. So I can move the screen left and right, you see, and up and down. So I can place it the best position. I think this is pretty cool. The best position that you want. Don't want to call emergency, of course. It's a cool thing. I wish it was motorized, but I think I found that one, but I don't think it's necessary, because you just move the screen maybe when you watch a movie with somebody else, some videos and stuff. But I like the fact that you can move and put it to the right angle that you want. Okay, so this is the cover. Yeah, here. What else? Oh, I have these Sidekicks here too. These guys, I need to move it a bit. Has some Velcro here, and these are cool because if you notice, when you drive, you always kick the side. In fact, I can show you down there. It's pretty consumed. So the person is here is using this Sidekick a lot, which means it works. What else? Nothing else. I think I listed all the changes, all the accessories, sorry. And then I will do, in the meantime, please subscribe and put a like. This video will help me a lot. And next videos, this is an update. I will show you what is in front, the trunk, and the outside, all the accessories installed. I have videos and links in the description for all these accessories, and the videos are on the channel, so you can check them out, how I've done the installation. Okay, the last ones that I did are the side pocket from YeslaK and the cabin filter inside the HEPA filter, which are pretty cool. So now I have HEPA filter inside the cabin and HEPA filter in the front for the bioweapon system of the Model Y. Anyway, please check them out, leave a comment, let me know what you like, what you don't like, what I think is good for you, and maybe it's not useful, whatever. Just comment, it will help me to figure out what is interesting for you, or what other accessory maybe you have, I don't have it, maybe if I have some suggestions. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.